Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add or remove OneDrive shortcut in File Explorer. So let's get started. First, you have to open your File Explorer from the taskbar or the search bar. Now on the left hand side you will see OneDrive listed. If it's there, you can easily access your sync files. To remove this, you have to right click on the OneDrive icon and go to settings. Once you are in, here you have to go on the account tab and you will see the unlink this PC option. You just have to click on that. This removes the OneDrive shortcut from your file explorer. And if you want to add it back, open OneDrive app, sign in with your Microsoft account and follow the steps. Once linked, the OneDrive shortcut will automatically appear on the file explorer again. And that's it. With just a couple of steps, you can add or remove OneDrive shortcut and keep your file explorer clean and organized. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.